Done it, boys and girls. I've done it. But the question is, what have you done? Well, at the start of the month, I started a challenge as requested by you guys to grow a little account. And the challenge was this: take little money and turn it into something worthwhile. Now, the challenge that we put in place was for the whole of April. So I had 30 days to take 25 quid. That's right, just £25. And I think 25 quid is accessible to everybody. Personally, you should have had 50, which is where we were due to start. But Raven said, would I do it with 25? And I'm stupid, so I said yes. So I did it with 25. Anyway, cut long story short, what we did was we looked through the fivers to find their cheapest prop fund, which happened to be at the high stakes at the time. They do have some great offers on at the moment as well, where they've got the hyper for next to nothing. So it's worth checking out. We'll look at that in just a minute. Now, what the idea was, it was to be slow and steady. Now, it's very easy in these challenges to sort of just go for it because it's only 25 quid. That sets you up to the road to ruin, you know. I set out a steady path working on 2% a day and compounding the growth to get it to a certain point. And that point was to make £17. Now, it's all I needed to do. I surpassed that this weekend, and hence we're having the video. Now, I tracked it on 2 spreadsheets, which I'll show you, and then I'll pull up the broker itself so you can actually see the transactions and work it out. So here we go. So I started with 25 quid up in that top corner, set it to 2% gain a day, and also had my base size. Now, the smallest size I can go with is 0.01. And the markets that I chose was Bitcoin for the weekends because it's slow enough that you can see what's going on. During the week, it's too fast. On the weekend, it slows down. But I could only do that at the latter part once I've built the bank up a little bit. Because again, if it gets out of hand, it'll cripple you. And the other one was euro dollar. Why? It's a bit like the old timer. It behaves itself. It's slow, but it's predictable. And that's what I did. So as you can see, 25 quid, 2%. I'm only looking sort of for like a 50p growth on it. You know, that's all I needed to do. And the better I could get this filled up meant I could take days off, which is a good thing because as you can see, I did have a couple of zeros. They were a Saturday and a Sunday where I just didn't decide to trade. So this particular challenge ran for 13 days. So in 13 days, I've taken it from 25 quid and I've traded it up to 53.40. So that's how I used to figure out the targets, what I was looking for. So each day, it gave me a reasonable, achievable target. Now, before anybody kicks off saying, you can't do 2% all the time, you can on small balances. You definitely can. Up to even sort of like a couple of grand, you can do 2% a day. But when you get into bigger figures, then it becomes a problem because the psychology starts to change. And you think you can trade £1 a point as easy as you can trade 100 lots. Trust me, you can't. Okay. How do I know? I've pushed the boat out a few times on my wage account and I find it really uncomfortable. I'm happy at about 2 lots. That'll do me. But it also pays me quite well and it's slow, steady growth. And it isn't 2% a day. It's only a fraction. But I look at money as opposed to percentage. When it's small, percentage is king. When it's big, money is king. 2 different things. So that's my targeting sheet. And then I take it down into Cash Builder. What this does, this is slightly different. This is a bit more in depth because not only am I putting in the targets, but I'm putting in the targets based on a pip count as well. So I know I'm always in and around sort of 50, 70 Ps for targets. Just set it at a base target of 10 pips. So do 10, maybe it's 20 pips a day max. That's all you needed to do. Gives me a base target. Put in here. So I was running on about 70 pence a day. Anything above that, great. Like as you can see today, smashed through it. The winning streak was 11 clean days. Now, why 11 clean days if I had 13 on the other one? Well, it's very simple. I don't put the weekends in here. I only put my trading days in. So I had 100% right through. The amount of winning positions. There are losing positions because a trade idea, which is this side, is completely different to the positions. The positions are just built up, and I'm happy to sacrifice as long as the trade idea is correct. And I start with 0 and I end with 1. So that means as long as I've got more at the end of the day than I started with, Scruff's happy boy. All right. So that's that. Then I can track through what times that I took the trades and when I hit the targets. That's what this is for. It's a very, very excellent tool because it tells you everything. It tells me everything I need to know. And once I've hit target, I should stop. Sometimes I ran on because I was a bit naughty, like there. Naughty scruff. Shouldn't have done it. Tripping into overtrading, which can be a bad thing. In fact, it's a terrible thing, and I should know better. But did it anyway because I wanted the challenge done. So that's it. That's that done. Woohoo! But it's a spreadsheet. Doesn't mean fuck all. Because I can put what I want on here. But I can't put what I want on here. Now, the market that I used was, it's BlackBull, it's the hedge account, and it's the standard account. If you want to take along, either drop on my website, and there's a direct link into this, or go down in the description and comments, and there's a link to BlackBull. There is an offer on at the moment where you get my modules free, but also if you use the link, you'll get the standard account, and it's commission free, and it'll give you 500 to 1 leverage, which will enable you to trade what we've just seen with pennies. And that's a big thing because leverage is very important. In fact, I'll probably do a video just on leverage. You tell me. In fact, I'm doing a thing at the moment where just drop your questions in and I'll compile the questions, put them into a poll, and then whoever's sort of question wins the most, I'll do a video on it. And then you lot can be involved in the channel as well. Get a little salute and I'll answer your question based on what you guys want. How good's that? Trying to be fair. Anyway, what does this bit tell you? It'll tell you fuck all. Why is that? I should stop swearing as well, shouldn't I? But I can't. That's just me. Doesn't tell you much. But if I flick this up, it now tells you what the balance is. 53.40. All right. So that is more than any 17 quid that we need. But let's go to history. So today, 882. Ran it through overnight. Happy days. Why? There was a bloody gap. And I thought, I'm having that. I was having that. Because it was a belter. That's because the world's a bit mental at the minute. Pull this up. So we start with 25 quid. And then you run through. So there are losing positions, as you can see. And there's quite a few positions that I've rattled through. All the way down. Bing, bang, boo. Bishy, bash, bosh. But look at this, the losses. They're very, very small and tight. All the way down. And then there you go. Deposited 25. We now have 53.40. Okay. So what do I do with this now? Well, now I can just come here. I can withdraw money off the back end if I so wish. It's not difficult. Just go into there. Go, well, okay, this is my BlackBull back end portal. Just go transfer. So you just take it from your live account. So there it is there, the prop one that I set up. And then just drop it into there and withdraw it down into your bank account. Piece of cake. Okay. No problems there. Then you can take your money, which you should now get in your bank account. Normally takes a day or so with BlackBull. And come to the fivers. Now, again, there's links below. There's a little discount as well if you want to try it. And then you can pick whatever it was. Now, the fivers have come a long way recently. The first to the market would trade the pool, where you're trading stocks and one thing and another all the time. I'm not a big stock trader, but It's an excellent program. They've just brought in futures trading for you guys, but I'm more on this side. And what we figured out was, if we went through them, this one, the 2-step, worked out to be the cheapest. Now, there's 2 versions of it. You have the new version, which is here, where it's cheaper, but you've got to do a couple of extra percentage points on your first target. Or you can go on the classic, which is what we set this up to do, which is 22 quid, but you don't have as much to do on the first milestone. So it actually became the better of the 2. And that's a great thing, because sometimes cheapest isn't always best. Let me kind of give you another case in point. Get funded. If we look at this for argument's sake, this is the boot camp. Now, the boot camp is it's an excellent training wheels, and it is dirt cheap. Here, 22 quid. But once you've passed your profile, you've got to pay another 50 quid. So cheap isn't always the best, because while you're doing your sort of milestones, you're not actually making any money. You're just earning the right to trade. So you would still have to trade the other one. But if you were on, say, this one, that's it. It's a one-time fee. Likewise, if you go here, which is kind of the one that I prefer, these are dirt cheap. So, like say, that's 74 quid, you know, but you've got to put 3 profitable days into it. If you go on the classic hyper growth, you don't have to put the profitable days in, but it'll cost you a little bit more. Okay. So it's the yin and the yang as to what you want and where you want to go. But the whole idea of this challenge was to show you that it was feasible with little steps. If you try and do it in a week or in a couple of days, you probably set yourself up for a fall. Now, the way I've done this was I did daily targets that would have ran through to pretty much the end of the month, but just a little bit over each day. And if I had the opportunity to run the trades, which obviously I did today and over the last few days, it certainly knocks days off the end of the challenge. And then you get to your milestone a lot quicker, but peacefully. I didn't set out to achieve it today. It came naturally by just following a process. So there you go. That was a quick update. Job's done. Scruff's a happy boy. I can toddle off and get a prop fund if I want now, because I've achieved what I need to achieve. And that's it. So if you're stuck, just drop down into the description or go on my website. You get my official contact details. Please note that I will never, ever contact you direct unless you've contacted me. Simply because there's a lot of copycats out there pretending to be me. And it's the safest way I can do it. And I have to say this to educate you guys. So if you come into Discord, WhatsApp, or anything, and you get a random message, please verify it on the website using the official contact details. So as always, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one. Okay guys, a quick interlude, because I'm asked on pretty much every video a couple of questions. Who do I use and what platform do I use to build small accounts? Well, it's very simple. I come to BlackBull because you can trade with any amount of money that you choose. You've got over 26,000 products. So if you're Forex, indices, shares, commodities, you're going to find it. And they've got excellent world-leading leverage, which you can use to open up an asset and get your positions in. And also the spreads are fantastic. These are the companies that I use to build up. From here, I take it over into the fivers. I have never had a problem getting paid off these, as you can see. And one of the beauties of the fivers at the moment is they're introducing new programs and platforms all the time. They've now recently come back over into the US, so you guys can now take advantage of the prop. And you've got C Trader, and you've got the 3 programs here to choose from, which are very cost effective. Now, to give you an example, there's an account there, 157. You might be thinking, wow, what's that got to do with anything? Well, it is BlackBull, but let's see where it came from. Well, if I take this right to the very top, you'll see it started with £15, and then there's all of the trades running through. Don't get it right all the time, but running through £142 worth of profit, giving me 157. Well, if that's the case, I can now go and buy a prop fund and then feed those funds back into the live to push it forward. Now, if you're interested in any of these, come along and visit my website. You will see everything that I do, and there's extra discounts and exclusive links for both the companies. And both companies use the following platforms, which is TradingView, CTrader and MetaTrader. My personal choice is MetaTrader, but it's all there for you, so you're on the same page, whichever.
I'd buy that for $1.
Good luck. Catch you soon. Let's get back to the video.